Ganesh here. Ola Electric Mobility, an electronic vehicle scooter manufacturing company, on August 15, 2021, announces and launches the first EV scooter in India of Ola, which is called Ola S1 in two variants. And after that, there's no looking back. This company has made headlines in India every time it announces updates about its company. And this time, this is even huge. The Ola Electric Mobility has headquarters in Bangalore and a manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu. That manufacturing plant is called Future Factory. This Future Factory, as yesterday on Monday, Bhavishagawa announces that this Future Factory will employ about 10,000 women, which will have a separate women worship, and the entire manufacturing is done by women and women only. This future factory is the world's largest electronic vehicle manufacturing plant. It's the biggest in the world. The largest all, it's also what Bhavish Agarwal claims, that this factory is the largest all-women factory in the world. So announcing its development, Bhavish Agarwal, who's the CEO of Ola, states that Atmanirbhar Bharat requires Atmanirbhar women. So the first batch of women will be taking their place, took their place yesterday in this future factory, which is located in Tamil Nadu. The India's women, what Bhavish Agarwal feels is the Indian women will bring EV revolution from India to the world. So what he thinks is, when women are equal participants in India's economic growth, India will lead the world, basically. So this what they tell. This is the first of the series of initiatives they're going to undertaking in Ola, to which they are going to create an inclusive workforce and provide economic opportunities for women across the board. And they've also invested significantly to train and upskill them in core manufacturing skills, so they're entirely responsible for the production of every vehicle manufactured in the Ola Future Factory, which people are going to be using. And this is probably going to begin the revolution, and this should be a very proud moment, because every Ola scooter you see from now on will be manufactured by only women. The founder of the Ola said that giving employment opportunities for a woman not only improves their economic condition, but also improves the economic conditions of the families and the whole community and as a country as a whole. This future factory, which is spread across 500 acre, will initially start with 10 lakh annual production initially, and will lead up to 20 lakh annual capacity as per the market demands, as per how many units of vehicles are being sold. Depending on that, this range will keep increasing. But according to Ola, once completed, the part will have the annual capacity of 1 crore units, is what they are claiming. For India to be the world's manufacturing hub, for India to lead the manufacturing space after China, we must prioritize the upskilling and generating employment for our women workforce. World of Future Factory is a step ahead in this vision, where world's future on a world with clean mobility, carbon negative footprint, and inclusive workforce has been developed by this Ola Electric. They've also told that they will continue to take steps that get us closer to achieving each of this across Ola, and encourage others to join this revolution by buying these electric scooters, which is basically going to benefit the nature more than you get benefited from it. So this announcement again made headlines, where there are about 10,000 women who will be employed to work in these factories. And the beautiful thing about this is, every single electric scooter you're going to see in the next coming years from Ola is completely manufactured by women. And this is a very, 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 very quick update about Ola, which has employed about 10,000 women in its future factory, having headquarters in Bangalore and a manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu. And that's it from this video, guys. And until then, this is Ganesh Ks signing off.